How to disable comments for your YouTube channel. So hey guys, if you're also wondering how you can disable the comments for your YouTube channel, then what you need to do is follow these simple steps listed in this video. So the first thing you need to do is open up your YouTube Studio application or the website. So if you're on the browser, simply click onto your profile picture and choose the YouTube Studio option. Then it will open the YouTube Studio's website. Then from here, go to the settings, and under the settings you can see the upload defaults. Click on the upload defaults, and from here you can click onto the advanced settings, and from here scroll down and you will come under the comment section. Under the comments you can see that the comments are currently enabled. So in order to disable the comments, simply click on the drop down arrow and choose off. And once you have done this, simply click on the save button, and from next time whenever you will upload a video, the comments will be automatically turned off. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.